welcome to my channel again. I got a project I'm going to work on right now that I think that what you're about to learn will be beneficial for you. It's repairing a screen. How many times have you had a screen that's been worn out? I actually had one here that I'm getting ready to do, and what I'm going to do is show you how to fix it. So let's go, let's hang in there, let's get ready to go. I guess I'm going to say this, you know, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. So this is everything that you're going to need to fix your screen. By the way, on this particular one, I've already removed this screen. I wish I had saved it for you. So you're going to need this tool right here. This pulls out the old spine that fits in there for the screen. This is the roller right here that we'll use to press in the spine. You're going to need a razor knife to trim the screen, scissors to cut, and cordage for the screen spline, as it's called. And this particular one, we're using a 1.25 thickness because this is a thin spline right there. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to measure how much screen we actually need. Take it from this roll that we currently have. You see, I've been using this roll on my other projects. Just going to go, doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to take care of that when we trim it later. So I just need to get cut it from about here to here. So let's do that. Okay. Set this aside for future projects. Just going to set this on top of the screen just to get an idea of what all we got, what we're working with right here. We're going to get the spline out. Remember what I said, we're using the 0.125. You're going to choose a corner. Where you want it to go, and start right there. Use the spline pusher just to get started in there. You see how it crimped it? Push it along as we go. This is the spline roller, and we'll start to push it in. In the summertime here in Chicago, you look forward to this season when you get to use your screen, have your screen doors done, so you can get outside. You know how it gets cold here. Right? These corners, you want to make sure they fit. You don't want your thing to come out. To finish it off. Final push down. Now let's customize it. Just gonna use the razor. I'm using the plastic
screen. You can use metal if you want. Just gonna follow this along. Just gonna press it here. You can see it's coming off as I cut. It's like doing a craft project, huh? Okay. Screen is done. Looks great. It's uniform. You didn't have to patch it. Okay, like I said, this is my final. I did 3 of them. There's plenty of material left over if I wanted to do another type of screen for my house, but that's it. So in this little project, I just saved you about, well, I've done 3 of these screens at $20 to $25 a pop. I just saved you about 60 bucks. Total cost for the materials is about $15 for everything. That includes the actual screen. So here's my project. Here's my screen. Hey, like and subscribe to my channel.